The first step is to import the program into a project. In the import panel, the items you see in red are required, so let's add a program name. Next, the program description, and this is a free-form area, so I'm just going to say get customer information. Next is a structure name that Solo will focus on during the import process, and for DFH Commarea, it's the DFH Commarea. After that, we need to assign it a class name. I'm just going to call this customers. And finally, a location where Solo can discover the contents of the DFH Commarea. So this can be a copybook, it can be multiple copybooks. In this case, I'm just going to use the program source code itself. Click Import. Okay, so the import process is done, and as you can see, our program is now registered over here in the directory. Next step is to go ahead and create an API. Let's do an analyze. Now again, in the analysis panel, the required fields are highlighted in red, so we have to assign a method name. I'll call it getCustomerData. And again, a description that's free-form text, and a template name, and click Analyze. The template name just needs to be a unique name. This is how we store our metadata. On the left, what you see is a graphic representation of the COM area of this program, and over here on the right are the input and output schemas which we need to build. Let's start with the inputs. Customer ID is my input. I just drag that over here, and I can design this any way I want, but I'm just going to do it very simply. The outputs are these, and just drag this over here and click Finalize. So now that we've finished designing our schemas, we have to go ahead and design our RIST resource. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a new resource at version 1. And I'm going to call this resource Customers. Next, I need to declare what HTTP method I want to use to access this resource. And in this case, I want it to be a GET. Next, I need to decide how I want to pass in my input parameters. And as you can see, the input schema we just designed is over here on the right. In this case, I just have a single input, and I want to pass it in on the query string. So all I need to do is just drag it over here and drop it on query forms. Very simple. Click Finalize, and I'm finished. I now have a fully functional API, and here it is over here. Let's go ahead and test it. So I'm going to use the Postman tool to test this, and as you can see, here's my URL, my FQDN, my port, and here's my resource, and I'm going after customer 101. Click Send, and there's customer 101. If we change to a different customer, very simple, and there's a different customer. We can also, if we desire, we can go ahead and get an XML document out of this too, just by changing the accept parameter to XML. And there you go. So very simple. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.